Hi guys, let's study this math book which studied in class 8. Today is our last class of direct proportion. In last class we have studied what is inverse proportion and we have done some questions from exercise 1c. Now today we will do exercise 1d. Watch video till end to have clear concept of exercise 1d. Exercise 1d is having questions of inverse proportion. Okay, let's start the class. Below question is from exercise 1d, question number 2. So the question is, if z is inversely proportional to square root w and z is equals to 9 when w is equals to 9, find an equation connecting w and z. This is part 1. Find value of z when w is equals to 16. This is part 2. So the solution of part 1 is z is inversely proportional to 1 upon square root w. Okay, z is equals to constant upon square root w. Now 9 is equals to k upon square root 9 because 9 is the value of z and w2. Okay, now w means 9 would be square root and the answer would come 3. Now 9 is equals to k upon 3. Now 3 would come here, cross multiplication, and then 9 is multiplied by 3 is equals to constant. Okay, now z value z is equals to 27 upon w square root because they have said find an equation, so we have to make an equation. So at z place, z is on z place, then 27 is the constant and then w square root. Okay, now part 2 solution is z is equals to constant upon square root w, as you know. Okay, now z is equals to 27 upon 16 square root because 27 is the constant and w is the 16, that's why. Okay, now z is equals to 27 upon 4 is the value when 16 is square root is equals to 4, that's why. Now 4 is divided by 27 and answer came 6.75. Below question is from exercise 1d, question number 5. Question is, if q square is inversely proportional to p plus 3 and q is equals to 5 when p is equals to 2, find the values of q when p is equals to 17. So the solution is q square is inversely proportional to 1 upon p plus 3. Now q square is equals to k means constant multiplied by 1 upon p plus 3. Okay, now q value is 5, so 5 square is equals to k upon 2 plus 3 because p value is 2, that's why. Okay, now 5 square means 25 and k upon 2 plus 3 5. Okay, so 25 is equals to k upon 5. Now 5 would come here means cross multiplication, then answer would come 125. Okay, 125 came constant. Now half part is here, which is q square is equals to 125 is the constant upon 17 plus 3. Okay, 17 is the value of p and q square is equals to 125 upon 20 because 17 plus 3 is equals to 20. Then q square is equals to 125 upon 20 is divided by 125, so answer came 4. Then in decimal answer came 6.25. Then then square root on both sides, then q square root is equals to 6.25 square root, then answer came q is equals to plus minus 2.5. Now you would be knowing how to do exercise 1d. Do exercise 1d now for practice. So subscribe and press bell icon now. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.